In this video, we are going to learn how to do multiplication of a two-digit number by another two-digit number. Okay, so let's start. Let's take an example. Let's say we would like to multiply 32 by 10. Okay, so just like we saw in the last video, we write 32 multiply represented by x or cross sign, and then we write what we want to multiply this number 32 by 10. Last video we were multiplying by single digit number. In this video we are going to multiply by a two-digit number. That is 10 is a two-digit number. So 32 multiply by 10 we would like to do. How do we do it? First start with the multiplier and start with its first digit, that is the digit at the ones position. We are going to go from right to left. Okay, so we take 0 and we multiply by each of the digit of 0 with the multiplicand's digit. Again, that also we go from right to left. So first we do 0 multiply by 2, then 0 multiply by 3. Then we do in the next step 1 multiply by 2 and 1 multiply by 3. Okay, got it? So let's do it. Start with 0. Both of them are going from right to left. Right to left. So 0 we will multiply by first by 2. 0 multiply by 2. Anything multiply by 0 is 0. 0 multiply by 3. 0. Perfect. So in the first row of the result we write this. Now we switch to the next digit of the multiplier, which is 1 in this case. We do exactly the same thing, but before we start, remember this is the next digit. Here we leave this place empty or we put an X there. The first location. In the second row we put an X because we are doing the multiplication of the second digit or the tens place of this thing. So that's why we put an X here. Remember, you have to just put an X in the second row. First row we start as is, second row we put X here. So now we multiply 1 by 2. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. Done. So first we did 0. We multiplied by both of them and we wrote the answer as 0 multiplied by 2, 0 multiplied by 3, all zeros. Then we put a cross in the or X in the next line, and then we do 1 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 3. So we 1 by 2. And then to find the real answer, we draw another line and add each of this. So 0 plus x or blank is nothing. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. Nothing, which is 0 plus 3 is 3. So the answer of 32 multiplied by 10 is 320. Okay? It may sound confusing. Let's take another problem. Let's say this time we would like to multiply by 35 by 14. 35 multiplied by 14. How do we start? We start with the first digit of the multiplier, which is 4, and multiply each of them. So 4 5s are 20. So we do 0 here and 2 here. So 4 5s are 20. We write 0 here and 2 moves in the carryover position, just like we learned in the last video. And then 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. And we write 4 here. And 1 goes here, but there is no other digit. So we write 1 back here. So what did we do? 4 multiplied by 5, 20. Of which 0 we wrote here and 2 we wrote. Then 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 we did 14. So we crossed that thing in and where we wrote 14 here. Now, just like the previous problem, we came to second row to multiply with the second digit of the multiplier. So first we do put an X. We leave that position empty. Then we start with 1. 1 5s are 5. 1 3s are 3. And there is no other digit, we stop. And to find the final answer, so there are two multiplications we did. First of this digit with above, this digit with above after leaving the cross. And now finally we do addition between these two entities. So we will do 0 plus x, which is nothing, which is 0. 4 plus 5 is 9. And 3 plus 1 is 4. Magic Bunny is happy, which means we have a right answer. That is 35 multiplied by 14 is equal to 490. Let's take another problem. Let's say this time we would like to do 67 multiplied by 25. Okay. So we'll start with the first digit of the multiplier, which is 5. 5 sevens are 5 6 are 30, 5 sevens are 35. So 5 we write here and 3 we put the carry position. Now again we take the same 5 of the multiplier and multiply with the left digit of the multiplicand. So 5 6 are 30 plus 3, 33. 5 6 are 30. 5 multiplied by 6 is 30 plus 3 from the carryover, which becomes 33. And we cross it so that we have done with this. Now what do we do here? Should we start multiplication? No. First put an X. Now start doing the multiplication. 2 sevens are 14. So we do write 14 is 1 4. Of 4 we write here and 1 we write here on top of it. That's why we put an X. Then we do a 2 multiplied by 6 is 12 plus 1. 1 carry over from the 7 2s are 14, right? So 2 multiplied by 6 plus 1 is 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13, right? We write 3 and 1, right? 1 3. And then we do addition. 2 plus line here. 5 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 plus 3 is 6. And 1. Oops, I did a mistake intentionally. 5 plus 0 is, let's erase it. I wanted to see how much attention you are doing. 5 plus 0 is 5. And the Magic Bunny is happy. Okay, so what are the steps? First we take this digit, multiply by each of these. So we got this. Then we take the second digit, we are going from right to left. Then we take the second digit, again multiply. We keep it like this, but put an X. The first digit here position we leave empty. And then finally we have 2 multiplications done. Then we do addition. This 5 plus 0 is 5, 4 plus 3 is 7, 3 plus 3 is 6, 1 plus 0 is 1. And we finally got the answer of 67 multiplied by 25 is 1675. So this way you can do any multiplication. The important thing to remember is how you do carryover. Once you have done the addition, you cross it so that you are not confused. When you come here, you are not confused. Don't forget to put X here. Don't start the multiplication 134 just below it. Okay? And during addition, be cautious. I intentionally did a mistake of 5 plus 0, 0. No, 5 plus 0 is 5. Okay? So hope you enjoyed it, children. Do more practice and then you will learn this thing. You will say, oh, it's so simple. Okay? Till then, bye-bye.